पहली बात तो ये है कि 9 मई सिर्फ अफवाज पाकिस्तान का मुकदमा नहीं है, ये पूरे पाकिस्तान के अवाम का मुकदमा है।
The darkest days are etched in the memory of nations not just for the shadow they cast, but for the light of resilience they eventually bring forth, remarked Raja Azmat Ali Kayani, a prominent figure in Pakistan, reflecting on the tragic events of May 9th. He emphasized that the sacrifices made by the military are a source of pride for the nation and will never be forgotten. On May 9th, 2023, a series of unexpected and violent incidents shook Pakistan. Key military installations, including Jinnah House, became the targets of calculated assaults. The nation watched in horror as its symbols of sovereignty were tarnished by misguided and reckless individuals. The response from national leaders was swift and unequivocal. Condemnations poured in, denouncing the attacks as an affront to the dignity of the country and its people. The government vowed to take decisive action against those responsible for orchestrating these heinous acts. In the aftermath, the community rallied around the families of the fallen. The entire nation felt a profound sense of loss, but also of shared responsibility to uphold the honor of those who had made the ultimate sacrifice. Statements from military and civilian leaders alike called for unity and remembrance, stressing that such acts of violence should find no shelter in any civilized society. Reflecting on the lessons of May 9th, it becomes clear that vigilance and solidarity are our greatest defenses against the forces of chaos and destruction. It is a reminder of the cost of freedom and the relentless vigil required to maintain it. As we honor the memory of those who fell defending the nation, let us renew our commitment to peace and justice. The sacrifices of May 9th must not be in vain. They must inspire us to work towards a future where such tragedies are relics of the past. We owe it to the martyrs and to ourselves to remember, reflect, and respond with courage and unity.